NASA plans to build lunar crater telescope resembling Death Star, technology networks. A great new way to paint 3D printed objects, phys.org. How big tech is dictating the terms of the coronavirus response to national governments, The Verge. 15 beginners tips and tricks Predator, hunting grounds doesn't tell you, Gaming Bolt. A huge asteroid will safely pass by Earth on Wednesday, The Express Tribune. Stocks advance with U.S. futures, oil trims drop, markets wrap, Yahoo Canada Finance. NASA, Hubble Space Telescope spots monster star in Lagoon Nebula, Econo Times. Look, scientists have created avatar-like bioluminescent plants, Science Times. News, Gasworld. News, Gasworld. Random, track your Animal Crossing, New Horizons progress with this fun bingo card, Nintendo.